Dear students, I am Dr. Rajeshwari Shettar, Associate Professor, Department of Commerce from Jigaluru Women's College, Dharwad, affiliated to Karnataka State Akkamahadevi Women University, Vijayapura. For BCom 6th semester under the subject Taxation, I am going to discuss the partnership form. Under partnership, dear students, you are going to get minimum 2 questions for 2 marks, 5 marks 1 question, that is calculation of book profit, and 15 marks 1 problem. In this class, we are going to discuss the 15 marks problem. First, I'll read the problem. Dear student, carefully listen the problem and understand what is given in the problem, then solve the problem. A, B and C are equal partners in a firm. Following is their profit and loss account for the year ending 31/3/2019. Profit and loss account. On the debit side of the profit and loss account, interest on capital at 15%. According to the income tax rule, this is allowed up to 12%. Salary to partners, income tax, donation to approved institution, general expenses, depreciation and net profit. On the credit side of the profit and loss account, they have given the gross profit. Additional information: depreciation allowable amounted to rupees 4,000. General expenses include commission to Mr. C, rupees 3,100. Then there is information: Mr. C is a non-working partner. It is nothing but Mr. A and B are the working partner. With the help of this information, we have to compute the total income of the partnership firm for the assessment year 2019 to 20. First, we have to compute the income from business of a partnership firm for the assessment year 2019 to 20 and for the previous year 2018 to 19. First, we have to take the net profit as a base. Net profit as per profit and loss account, it is rupees 1,44,000. To this, we have to add disallowed expenses. In that, the first item is interest on capital. Actual at 15%, that is total 19,500, less allowed up to 12% per annum. How to compute this? For 15%, 19,500. For 12%, how much? That comes to 15,600. The balance is 3,900. Then the second item, salary to partners, A 30,000, B 30,000, total 60,000. Then the third disallowed item is income tax, that is 9,000. Donation to approved institution 2,000. General expenses include commission to Mr. C 3,100. Excess depreciation, that is 6,000 given in the profit and loss account, 4,000 in the additional information. Then the difference is 2,000. Make the total of all this, that comes to 80,000. Then to this you have to add net profit, that balance is 2,24,000. From this amount we have to deduct income under separated, that is profit and loss account credit side items. In this problem, no items except the gross profit. That balance is a book profit, that is 2,24,000, less allowable remuneration to working partners A and B. Then item number A, actual remuneration to working partner A and B, A 30,000, B 30,000, that is total 60,000. B item, maximum, there is a slab up to 3 lakh of the book profit. According to the income tax rule, 90% of the book profit, that is 90 by 100 into 2,24,000, that comes to 2,01,600, or maximum rupees 1,50,000. Out of A and B, we have to take whichever is higher. The higher amount is 2,01,600, and out of this, whichever is less we have to take, that is deductible. Whichever is less is 60,000. That balance is income from business. 1,64,000 is a taxable income from business. After computing the income from business, we have to ascertain the net total income. That is computation of total income of the partnership firm for the assessment year and for the previous year. Income from business 1,64,000. No other income. Therefore, gross total income is equal to 1,64,000. To this, we have to deduct some deductions. In this problem, only one deduction, that is under section 80G, that is donations. Donation to approved institution, that is allowed for 50% of the donation, that comes to rupees 1,000. The balance is a taxable income of a partnership firm or a net total income rupees 1,63,000. This is a way to compute the total income of the partnership firm for the assessment year and for the previous year. Thank you.